gone?
Dinner.
You don't know. So who ate them all?
Someone come round and they just ate them all.
Someone come round and ate the cakes?
Yeah.
So someone broke into a home and ate Mr. Kipling's Angel Slices. Didn't take the TV, didn't take, some jewellery. They took these cakes.
And it was a black man.
Where are they gone?
Dinner.
You don't know.
Alright, Shalom. I want to give all praises to Yahweh, Ba'ashem Yahushai, Ba'ashem Ukakadash. Double honors to the apostles and elders of Great Millstone. Salutations to all the brothers and the few sisters out there. Unto this like foreigners from the seed of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. Shalom in Hebrew, which means peace. This is why we say the things that we say. Either this little girl has been taught that, or most likely it's just in her spirit. And we're going by the most likely part. It's truly in her spirit to do these things. That thing just rolled out of her mouth like it was nothing. Alright? These Edomites, so-called white people, are natural born liars. And this little girl just proved it. This is why the brother had put in the thing, says POV, why black men were lynched. Alright? When your child is that young, such a goddamn lie shouldn't even come out their mouth like that. But it shows you who the wicked is, man. More and more every day the Lord is unveiling, showing the world who are the wicked, why they're the wicked, and how they operate. Okay? This is a obviously this is a spiritual thing for this little devil. Because that's what it is. She's a devil. And devil means slanderer. Alright? Or false accuser. She just falsely accused an imaginary black man that's not even there. How about that? Oh, you advocates. Oh, there's good white people out there. Well, prove it. There ain't no good Edomites out there. And this little this little piece of shit just showing it. Like, how many children lies like that? So the scriptures clearly covers everything. Real quick, first thing that came in my mind when I saw this was 2 of them, 3 of them, 4. Psalms 52 and Uno. Actually, 2. It says, "Thy tongue deceiveth mischief like a sharp razor, working deceitfully act." Yep. "Thy love of evil more than good, and lying rather than speaking righteousness." See, lie. And that's in the Edomites. Matter of fact, when you go up, verse 1, the chief musician Michal, a psalm of David, when Dogi, the Edomite, came and told Saul and said unto him, "David is come to the house of Amalek. Why boastest thyself in mischief, O mighty men? The goodness of the Most High endureth continually. Thy tongue deceiveth mischief like a sharp razor, working deceitfully. Thy love of evil more than good, and lying rather than speaking righteousness." See, lie is in their spiritual DNA to do this. Alright? Thy loveth all divine words, all thy deceitful tongue. Alright? That was one of them. The scriptures cover everything, man. Psalms 50:81, it says, to the point, "Do you indeed speak righteousness, O congregation? Do you judge uprightly, O ye sons of men? Yea, in your heart you work wickedness. You weigh the violence of your hands in the earth. The wicked are estranged from the womb." Let's look up the word estranged. The Hebrew word is zawar. Zawar. To be strange, be a stranger, become estranged. Let's see if I can find. Just look it up in regular dictionary. Oh, sorry. It says, no longer close or affectionate to someone, alienated, estranged. So, the Lord separated Esau from Jacob, right? That's a separation. They're estranged. They can't speak righteousness. They don't know nothing about righteousness. It says, the wicked are estranged from the womb. Quick precept. Get this. When we say certain things, don't look at us because is one thing. It's obviously the evidence is beyond the comprehension of a human mind that the Lord could create something like this. Ecclesiastes 1:15, it says, that which is crooked cannot be made straight, and that which is wanting cannot be numbered. So the Lord created him to be crooked, to be the wicked. All right? The wicked. It says, the wicked are estranged from the womb. They go astray as soon as they be born. I said, as soon as they be born, speaking lies. And that little she-devil naturally just roll out of her little devil mouth a blatant lie like that. No hesitation, no correction. All right? Either she was trained to be that way or she was born to be that way. And most likely, she was born to be that way. Okay? It says their poison is like the poison of a serpent. They are like deaf adder that stomp up for air. So when we tell them the truth about themselves, they don't want to hear it. Because they live this lie. They embody this lie. They lie so good that they know that they're lying. But they in a delusional state. This is why everybody, the scripture says, whoever perished being innocent. So when people sit there like, oh, it's just a child, they'll get out of that. Bro, there's certain things even children not even supposed to say at a certain age to that extent. Because what? That could cause harm. That could actually get somebody killed. All right? Just naturally saying things like that can literally destroy anyone. So these are the devils that the Bible speaks of. Okay? So which will not hearken to the voice of charmers, charming never so wisely, break their teeth, O Yahweh, in their mouth. So it's talking about overall all of Esau. All right? Because what is Esau's, what is his gift? His gift, number one, is weapons. His other gift is his deceit. He's a natural born liar. Matter of fact, since I said that, I don't know, I keep you doing that. St. John 10:10. Basic stuff, right? It says, St. John 10:10. The thief cometh not but to steal and to kill and destroy. I'm sorry, not St. John 10:10. It's St. John 8:44. It says, you are your father the devil, and the lust of your father you will do. He was a murderer from the beginning, and abide not in the truth. All right, let's look up the word abide. It says to cause or make to stand, to place, put, set, to bid, to stand by. So then there wasn't standing by for the truth. There was never a part of the truth, any form of truth. Everything out of them is a lie. All right. And it's clear as day that Esau is a natural born liar. All right. As he is a natural born killer, he's a natural born liar. And it says, and this is the Lord talking to his people and telling them that they following the route of the devil, which is Esau, Edom, because who was in power at that time? The Romans. And they're natural born devils. All right. It says when they speak of a lie, he speak of his own, for he's a liar and the father of it. So if Esau, the man, is a liar, how much more of his descendants? All right. Proverbs, it just hit me. 6:16 or 6:14. So 6:16. These 6 things doeth the Lord hate. Yeah, 7 is abomination unto him. A proud look, a lying tongue. So the Lord hates a lying tongue. You can't be that goddamn young and lie out of your teeth like that. Even though the mother's trying to correct it, it proves everything, man. She's showing like, look, this little girl's a liar, but she didn't correct that child right then and there. Because that's their nature. So that proves that the Lord doesn't care about Esau. He hates them. Hey, that's what they got the spirit of Cain in them. When the Lord confronted Cain, what did he say? Am I my brother's keeper? He lied. All right? Lying is his defense. And it says that and hands that shed innocent blood. And how, like the brother had put, how many Jake would lynch because some Edomite lied and said that he raped or he did something and got them killed. Look at what's it, Carolyn something, I forgot her last name. I got I can't remember this guy's name right now. Wow, I can see his face. The young, he was 16. Was he 16 or 14? 14. Emmett Till. The bitch lied about what Emmett Till did to her because she was offended and got the kid killed. And to her last dying breath, she admitted that everything that she said was a lie. There was no outcry. There was only an outcry for certain people, but the rest just left it alone. Okay? Because this is what we got to deal with. This world's not made for us right now at the time being, but you can clearly see how natural the enemy is right now. And the enemy wants us destroyed. It says, a heart that deceiveth wicked imagination, feet that be swift and running to mischief, a false witness, that speaketh lies, and he that soweth discord among brethren. So this is the attributes that the Lord can't stand, is a natural born fucking liar. And we could clearly see why the Lord hates Esau. Clearly see it. And it tells you, I quoted it. Let me just get this real quick. Revelations 12. Yeah, 9. It says, and the great dragon was cast out, that old serpent called the devil and Satan, which deceiveth the whole world. So from the minute level of little white lies, like they will say, to the grand scheme of things, to the ultimate lies around the world. He was cast into the earth, and his angels were cast out with him. So I prove that who is Esau? All right, that proves that the people that's in power are nothing but liars. All right, deceivers, devils, adversaries, Satan. Let me see. Revelations 12. I ended off in here. Is it 12 and I say 12. 21. So like yes, it is Revelation 21. Let me just type it in. Revelations 20, and I guess I start at 10. No. Yeah, let me read this. It says, Revelations 12 and 10. 20 and 10. Slacking. And the devil that deceived them was cast into the lake of fire and brimstone, where the beast and the false prophets are, and shall be tormented day and night and night forever and ever. I'm looking for, it says, liars shall be cast. Let me see. Which is good though, actually. Hold on. Let me see. Okay. I'll spell that wrong. Yeah, this is what I was looking for. 21 and 8. Revelation 21 and 8. It says, but the fearful and the unbelieving, and the abominable, the murderers, the whoremongers, the sorcerers, adulterers, and all liars shall have their part in the lake which burneth with fire and brimstone, which is the second death. So there's no way in hell that these people can make it. None. All right. Scripture tell you about liars. As it tell you somebody that's telling a little lie, little lies become big. It's that small pint size that little thing was. When it gets older, those lies are gonna get bigger and stronger. And they're not written in the book of life. So that's gonna be the judgment. So with that being said, we'll send real quick to the spirit. Shalom to the elect of the nations. Shalom.